Welcome back to the channel. Following my last video, I promised the unboxing and a quick review of these Saint Laurent Wyatt Chelsea boots, and that's what we have for you today. I'll also share why I chose this particular boot, but as usual, if you're new to the channel, hit the like and a subscribe button. Now, let's go. This is how the shoe arrives. Packaged in tissue paper with details of the product purchased in a little box. Now let's dive deeper into the good stuff. As you can see, each pair of Saint Laurent Wyatt boots comes in its own dust bag. And a very important attention to detail, the shoes are separated with a tissue paper to prevent them from rubbing against each other. Are you ready? Let's go. No, scratch that. I wanted a sound effect to match the gravity of the reveal, but that was actually the best I could find in iMovie. But we can do better. Let's try it again. That was better. I think that was an improvement. Anyway, before we talk about the details, I'll show the shoe around a little bit. And now the other pair. So there they are. Extremely beautiful in black suede, and the boots come in tissue paper stuffed in them to allow the shoes to maintain its shape. I recommend stuffing your shoes or boots with tissue paper even if you wear them regularly. It's very important for the durability of your shoes. The boots come with leather lining with the designer's name embossed on the insole and a pull tab for convenience in putting the shoes on. They feature elastic panels on both sides, tonally stitched, and they stretch nicely to allow for easy wearing. As you can see, the outsole is quite thick, made in leather and set on a Cuban heel. They feel solid on feet and quite heavy just holding them. The outsole also features Saint Laurent Paris embossed and a pattern of the sole stitching to the upper. Now let's talk about fit and sizing. I would say it fits true to size. The boots come in European sizing and in half sizes. So take your normal sizing shoes. I went for EU 42.5, which is US 9.5 and UK 8.5. If you've seen any of my shoe review videos, then you already know that I like a snug fit, and these are just perfect. I like boots because I believe they're so versatile. You can wear them in both formal and casual outfits. That's why I believe it's one of the staples that one should consider investing in for one's wardrobe. Now on why I decided to go for black Saint Laurent boots. Many years ago, I bought a brown pair of boots by the same designer. They look extremely good after many years, so I decided to make a similar investment in black. Let's make a quick comparison between the two pairs of boots. When I got the brown one, Saint Laurent's creative director was Hedi Slimane, but I now believe is headed by Anthony Vaccarello. So the designs are similar, but they're not exactly the same. The sole is thicker on the black pair of boots, and the elasticated inserts are plain on the black, but covered by split suede on the brown boots. Also, the brown boots had no half sizes, so I had to go for EU 43, which is US size 10 and UK size 9, but it still fits very well. If you're still here, then thanks for watching this video. Thanks for subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, then hit the subscribe button. Also turn on your notifications so you're advised when I post a new video. And until my next one, I've been told, gentlemen,